Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I am filming with Becca, which is super exciting. Now if you've watched my video, which is a collaboration with Malika, which is a gift swap, we always do one every year. We've been friends for 4 years and we just do it because it's just magical and it's fun. And me and Becca decided, quite last minute to be fair, so I think we've done very well with such short notice, we've decided to do a swap. But we can, because she's in my support bubble and I'm in hers, we can actually film together, which makes it a lot more fun. So this is the bag I've got Becca. It's got her 3 main Christmas presents in, a cracker from BG Lashes, a present I couldn't be bothered to wrap because I was so tired last night, and another present in there. And then she's got this box, which was also from Bethany when I made a massive order from her. So yeah, that's what she's got. And then I've got my bag over there, which she's going to open on Christmas Day. And then I've made like a little hamper. It's really cute. I love the paper. It's so adorable. So I think, do you want to do cards first? Yeah. Your card's in, hang on, let me. I literally wrote this 2 minutes ago. Very, very unprepared. This is Becca's card. If you watch the vlog, then you will know. Come on. Why are you not focusing? Kind of focus, I think. I don't know, but it's cute. It's got a little candy cane on. So there we go, my love. Thank you. Oh my god, it's glittery. My mum's gonna kill me. I know, I've got glitter all over. I wish you guys could see my sofa right now. This is so cute. I don't know how well it's gonna focus, but that's so cute. This is the one Lily got me. That is so cute. Oh my god, the glitter is crazy. You're going to need to hoover your floor after this. Oh, I know. Regretting that card decision, but I just couldn't not buy it. It is very cute. Right, who wants to go first? How are we going to do it? One each or just swap them or what? Just swap them. Becca's main Christmas presents. Some cute paper. She's got this one. I'm trying to get it out. This one. And then, hang on, I can't get it out. And then this one. But this paper is also used for 2 of the presents in the box because I needed to use it up. Because it was paper from last year. And if you see any cats, I know, I was going to say, probably a good time to say it. They are Becca's. She's got 2. Very cute, I've got to say. I'm not a fan of cats, but I do like her cat. Oh, how exciting. I'm just going to go for the first thing I see. Some cozy socks, and I've got some on now actually, Father Christmas ones, and they are so comfy. I might put them on now. They're from Cherry Z. They're really comfy. And do you know what? I've been needing a pair of comfy socks because my house is freezing at the minute in the winter, so it's quite big. Come in handy. So I can imagine that being quite chilly, but right. Okay. Pick any one, my girl. Hey, she knows me too well. That was a 100% alcohol tick list. Yeah, literally. Oh, pink strawberry. Oh, there we go. I'm so excited for this. Me and my mum are gonna have some booze ups. Woo! Thank you so much. Oh, that looks, and it's so pretty as well. I love pink gin. Pink gin is the only gin I can drink. I like pink gin. And it's just so pretty. Like, my mum's like a gin connoisseur. She drinks all kinds of gin, but that's my kind of thing. Okay. Right. Oh, trio scents. And they're all my scents because if you guys don't know, I love fruity, citrusy scents. And this is orange, pineapple and citrus. So, and because she's got her own house, I thought candles and homeware is kind of like one of the best things to get someone. Because I know that's what I'd like when I move into my own place. So, yeah. Exciting. I'm like Matt. Matt loves guessing presents when he's got them. I do. Do you always go for the biggest or the smallest? I just pick at random, to be honest. Do you? I love the paper. The paper is so cute. I think it's going to just focus on my face. That's fine. Again, ignore the wrapping. I don't want none of you judging me for my wrapping. Oh my god, they're so cute. Oh, look at them. Makeup brushes. You always need these. And like for when I stay here and stuff, that'd be perfect. You just chuck them in the tube. Sorted. A little note there. And on that one it says, because you love being creative with your makeup. Becca, honestly, like I stick to the same old eyeshadow look, whereas Becca does rock the good, like nice, brighter colours. So it's not brighter colours, but it's just something to add to your collection. And do you know what? I love these type of colours. They go really nice with my eyes because they're blue. Hang on. It's not focusing. I'm no good at this. No, it's not. It's like this earthy feature. Just let him feature. Say hi, everyone. It's like an earthy tone palette from Max and More. They're actually really good. So
Can't wait to use that.
Is this paper rips? Malika does not give me paper that rips.
That's what I hate. Like when someone wraps something so nicely or goes crazy with the sellotape and you can't open it. I hate that.
I didn't even know this was a thing. Nivea, which I love their lip products. Rose Care Micellar Face Wash with organic rose water.
And I have tried this and it's really good.
Oh, that is so cute. And once again, it's pink. So that's just got my heart all over it.
This one says, little theme, relax and enjoy. Am I meant to open them in order or not?
No, open whichever one you want to.
I can't believe how nice your wrapping is.
Honestly, trust me, you see, mine's okay, but I hate it, so I don't really put much of an effort in, whereas my grandma
I could smell this before I even got out the wrapping. Ah, it's a bath bar, so relaxing and calming lavender.
It's really cute. Oh, I think someone's in the Christmas tree. Oh, I love the paper, it's so cute. Oh, I saw these in Primark the other day. You know me too well. Oh my god, this is amazing. So, a massive pack of their beauty blenders.
And you can never have too many.
No, and you have 15 of these. And like, oh, that's amazing. And I'm going to keep the bag. I'm that kind of person that will keep the bag just for like when I go to Matt's or if I come here. It's really handy. Oh my god, thank you so much. I saw it and I was like, no way, I saw it yesterday. And I was like, no, the day before, and I was like, oh my god, I should get that. Oh no, I'll leave it. I'm glad I left it.
There you go then.
Oh, exciting.
Oh, we got another melt. This is a wax melt.
Wax melt. Blue raspberry slushy from Melts by Rhiannon because her wax melts are insane. Okay, this is soft. Have a look. Scrunchies, thank you so much. I love a good scrunchie. I've got so many, it's ridiculous. These are really cute. I don't know how well you can see these.
I feel like sometimes the necessity presents are so good.
They are so good because you just think, oh, you don't think about buying them. Yeah. You're like, oh no, I'll leave it. Perfect stocking filler as well.
What does that say?
It says, hang on. This is oh, you love your brow, so here's something to help. Yeah, because I wrote the wrong words and I was like, fuck it, I can't be arsed. It's a little bundle from BG Lashes.
Oh, I think I've seen you use these.
Yeah, they're to help get your peach fuzz off, honestly.
I've seen you use
I like them. Another great brow trimmer you can get is from Shein. Shein do really good ones. Honestly, Becca, I didn't even know that much peach fuzz was on my face. It was coming off in clumps. But it was brilliant because now my face makeup goes on so much smoother and so much nicer. But you've got a castor oil based lash and brow enhancing serum, brow soap with a spoolie, 2 brow trimmers and a clear brow gel. Because you always like doing your brows.
And like Lily said, I am one for keeping the bag. So this little bag, I'm going to keep.
Yeah, and it's like Bethany does so many amazing bundles. She sells those all year round. But I just thought it'd be perfect gift material. Right, bit of a heavy one. Oh, I'm not very good at unwrapping presents, I'm going to be honest with you guys. Are you being serious? No, you didn't. Oh my god. Malika, you're going to love her for this as well. It's the like, how big is that? That's going to last me a bloody lifetime.
I saw it on the shelf and I was like, that's got Lily's name written
I
all
love
over it.
Strawberry. Malika got me into strawberry. I've never really smelt it before, but Malika loves the strawberry scent, and I started smelling it. I have the smaller shower gel at home. Oh my god, thank you so much. I'm so happy. I can't stop smiling. That's just brilliant. That's the highlight of my day. Because it just smells like you could eat it.
Yeah, it does.
It
smell
smells
lovely.
insane. I love this scent. I love the frosted berries because Malika got me so much Body Shop stuff in our swap, and she got me the frosted berry shower gel, and it smells. Oh, so yeah, thank you so much.
Right, next one. Self-love and care are the most important. Enjoy. That's very true.
You can open these two kind of at the same time because they're kind of the same kind of thing.
Okay.
If you want.
I do love a bit of self-care.
It's so important. I think I've started realising that the last couple of weeks. I thought, you know what, you need to focus on yourself a bit more.
Oh, I've been wanting a charcoal.
And it's got amazing properties for the skin, so it's going to really help, like, and especially with the job we do.
Detox cleanser. This is going to be perfect. I needed something like this.
Because with what we do, you never know what the hell gets on your skin, to be honest with you, so.
Exactly.
You need something to. This is right. I want to do a bit of a story on this one. This is an expensive product, however, I got sent it for free with a bundle I bought with that skincare brand. So don't worry, that's why I said it's a bit bougie.
But so this is a bit bougie, but I hope you enjoy.
Because I just thought I'm not going to use it, and it's brand new, sealed, never been touched. And as I said, it's an expensive product, so you don't really want to let an expensive product that's good quality go to waste.
Ooh, Cocosmooth Hello Body Daily Eye Cream.
Because I've worked with that brand for a little while, got my own discount code if you want to use it, Tulip63.
Lovely.
But honestly, they do so many amazing products, and it's all like sustainable, great resources to use, so saving the planet, vegan friendly, cruelty free, no like harmful chemicals. It's just an amazing company for skincare. So yeah, okay. Oh, it's squidgy. Oh my god, I saw this as well. I thought I was gonna get it for myself, and
I was so scared when I was walking around. I was like, oh god, how about she's got it for herself? How about she's got it for me?
This is so oh my god. She's got me a really lovely Primark scarf, and I saw this when I was walking back. I was like, oh my god, I need that. But I thought, no, I've got too many bags. I've still got so much Christmas shopping to do. It is ridiculously soft. I've never known a scarf to be that soft before.
I was looking at all the designs because they've got loads, and I was like, is she going to like it? Is she not?
Oh yeah, this is so me, because I love the grey tones. I'm quite basic.
And because it was quite neutral, I thought I could go with more things.
That is so... That's so soft. I'm not going to get my makeup on it, but thank you so much, babe. That's so nice.
That's alright. It says, you need time to unwind. I hope this helps.
I was thinking, I don't know, but you'll see when you open it. I was thinking, oh my gosh, does she actually have the thing that requires this to be for you able to use it? Do you have a bath?
Yes.
Oh, thank God for that. Okay, right, we're all good. That means I can get her bath bombs and stuff like that.
Oh, they smell so
good. It's her 21st. I've got so many friends' 21st next year. I've got obviously my boyfriend Matt. I've got yours. I've got Alex's. Luke's is on the 31st of January.
Oh, that's pretty soon.
Okay, so this is the last gift, but I'm going to hand Becca first these bits. So this, close your eyes. This is very boring. This is very boring, but I thought because you have a house, it'd be necessary. So there we go. There's one thing.
Oh,
it's very boring. I'm so sorry.
Case.
But it removes.
No, but I need these things.
But it removes stains off everything. Every little thing, it removes stains off, and that is a hefty tub.
Lovely.
Honestly, if you want to get yourself nice cleaning products for cheap, go on Cherry Z. It's basically home bargains online.
Really?
And their next day delivery is actually next day. It's literally next day, yeah. And then this, I have a beauty advent calendars, and there's quite a few products in there that I'm not going to use. So I've compacted a couple of little bundles in the little bags from BG Lashes for friends and stuff. So this is your one.
Oh, thank you. Got a beauty blender.
From Real Techniques.
Let me open it.
Some Revolution mini cosmetics, and a compact mirror from Real Techniques as well. So it's just really cute.
And I love all this compact stuff.
Because it's perfect for if you go away. Yeah, kind of showing it.
There you go.
Kind of.
And a beauty blender.
I love Real Techniques beauty blender. I did keep one because there were two of these ones in the advent, so.
A little compound mirror, always good on the go.
Compact.
Compact, what did I say? Compound. Tweezers, actually need a pair of these as well.
I just thought they're really handy, a nice lipstick.
And a little lipstick.
And did you know the lipstick at the top, you can take it off and it's like a lip. You can use it to start off your, yeah. That's the old.
I never knew that.
Yeah, so not all of them are like that. Some of it's just the colour, but some of them, yeah. Show it.
Oh really?
Right, so we almost forgot to pull the cracker from Bethany's custom crackers that she sent me, which I paid for. So, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is for you anyway, it's not for me. Oh, that's cool.
That is
cute
nice.
lip gloss.
A crystal gloss.
And a cute, oh, I love the smell of crackers. Does that make me weird?
I
love the smell of crackers. And you get a cute orange hat. Oh, Bethany, that's so cute. And I've got quite a few. I'm putting in swaps. I forgot to put one in Courtney's, and I've sealed it now, so I'm really sorry, Courtney. But I'm going to put one in my mum's Christmas present. I'm going to put one in Malika and Kimberly's as well. So put that in there. My last gift from Becca. Very excited. Oh, that's nice. I love the texture as well. I'm a bit of a weird person for textures. Oh, no. Oh, that's so nice. But do you know what the best thing about getting this is? I've got so many Grossi makeup bags and toiletries bags that I just need to chuck away. But I just think, no, because I can't be asked to go into town and buy ones. But, oh, it's huge. And if you know me, I overpack. I'd rather overpack than underpack. I go to Matt's for one night and I've got like 3 big bags of like clothes because I want different options.
I think that's every girl. I overpack as well, way too much.
I'd rather be prepared for everything, every kind of scenario. Let me try and get this out because what's it come out? That's where it's supposed to come out. Hang on. Oh God. Get out. There we go, because now I can actually close it. That is so nice. And it's got like the bumpy texture. As I said, I'm a bit of a weirdo for textures.
No, I
really like that. But yeah, oh my God, I'm so happy. Oh,
I know, I'm so happy too.
I am sorted for life with the Body Shop. I've never ever thought about buying one this big, so I'm just like, no, it's fine. I don't need one that big, but I'm so happy. I can't believe it. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. If there's any videos in particular you want to see me and Becca film, then please let us know in the comments. Go check out her Instagram, I'll put it on the screen, give her a follow, and also I will put her Facebook group in the description because she works at Party Light, is it?
Yes,
Party Light, and they do a range of amazing homeware products, candles. I've got, basically, because if you live in the UK like myself, you find it really difficult to get hold of Bath & Body Works, and because I'm an avid fan of Zoe Sugg, I really want Bath & Body Works candles, but they are really, really difficult because of like custom fees and everything like that. So they sell 3-wick candles and they literally look like Bath & Body Works candles. They always have really great offers on. So I will leave all the information in the description, so make sure you go check it out. And anyway, if you check out her Instagram, you'll get shown to her business page as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all keeping well and safe and you're all looking forward to Christmas. We've got another little friend coming to join us. And we are off to Mackey's in a bit, and maybe even, what's the time? Oh, it's only,
yeah, we'll smash it.
10 to 1, so we're gonna go to the garden centre as well. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next vlog or video, whichever you watch first, and I'll make sure to link my first vlog with Becca, which was the most festive creation on my channel. Honestly, it was so good, and the next vlog with her in it too. So yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next vlog or video, whichever one you watch first. Bye.